Are you a busy parent dreaming to have more time with your kids, but you are stuck in a 9 to 5 that is draining all your energy? Perhaps you are that parent that you would love to earn an income online from home, but you have no way to start. You don't know, you just don't know where to start. Well, I've been there. I know exactly how that feels, and I'm going to share a 2 hour workday strategy with you that has helped parents like you break free from the 9 to 5 and finally having more time with their children and their family. So by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to earn an income from home without any experience, just by following a 2 hour workday program. So my name is Lizelle, if you're here for the first time, and I'm a mother that was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I had no special skills. I had no experiencing in the digital era. I just discovered this while I was looking for a way to earn an extra income from home. I was tired of being that no mom. Always having to say no, always having to come up with excuses why I can't buy certain stuff or why we can't go on holiday, and even why I can't even get some fancy stuff in the grocery cupboards. I was tired of being that mom, and I went online and I looked for a way to earn an extra income, and I discovered a system that would teach me in 2 hours a day how to finally become financially free. I made over 2.3 million in 2024 just by doing this. Plus, I get to be a stay-at-home mom working a 2 hour workday and earning this type of income. So stick around. I'm going to show you this exact process that I'm following that you can follow too. Down in the link below, you are going to find a free guide if you are ready to start working from home and living life on your terms. Go grab it at the bottom here, go into your email, and I'll send you the info. So I'm going to share 5 points with you to take you through this online system that I'm using and that you can use as well. So the one issue is the time problem, okay? Many parents already are very busy. They are busy dropping off at school. They are already working full time. The last thing that they need is something that's going to take a lot of time from them. I know what it feels like. This is why this 2 hour workday strategy for me was so amazing, because if you can commit to a 2 hour workday where you focus on income earning activities, you will be able to not only earn on autopilot, but you will be able to be less busy. Point 2 is start with a product. We know that if we want to have our own time, we want to make our own money, we don't want a boss hanging over our shoulder, we want to do what we want to do, we need to be our own boss, right? And how would you feel if you could be your own boss in 2 hours a day? Because if you want to be your own boss, you need a product that is in high demand. You need something that you can sell, something that people want, something specifically that's changing lives, right? If you can have a digital product, it means that there's no inventory, there's no stock issues, and your customer will get it immediately. This is why I love the digital era so much. Now, with a digital product, there's 2 choices. You can either create your own, which is going to take some time, and if you don't have the skills, it's going to take a lot of time. Or you can buy a done-for-you product where you get the master resale rights. That's what I started with, because this meant that I could get 100% profit and I could start earning immediately and sell something that I didn't even have to create. Point 3, automate to save time. An automated system means you get to earn without putting in the effort. Systems that work for you online 24/7. It's like having your own sales team. So you can actually have sales coming in without you having to get on the phone with someone. You can actually be on holiday with your children and keep on making sales, because the internet doesn't sleep. Your system won't sleep. Number 4, no sales or recruiting. I must say this is something that I loved about it the most, because I have been in the MLM industry before where I had to sell products to people just to make a little bit of money. I didn't want to bother friends and family. I didn't want to go and ask people to buy from me. I don't know about you, but I don't like stuff like that. So what I love about the digital business is that you don't have to recruit. You don't have to go look for customers. You will learn how to use social media the right way so that you can actually attract customers to you. Point 5 is earn while you learn. Parents need income now, not months down the road. This is what makes us so successful, because instead of you having to go on a year-long course to learn some new skills, to be able to then put it into practice and then make money, you can actually start earning while you are learning how this all works. I explain it as you buy a franchise. When you buy a very successful franchise, you already know it's going to work because you are buying the exact business model of that franchise. Now it's just up to you to get up every day, go to work, and implement the strategies that the organization gives you, right? Because you know you're going to be successful with it. Imagine what life would look like if you could start earning an income from home, working 2 hours a day, earning $900 a day. How would that make you feel? Wouldn't that be amazing? So go down to the link below, go grab my free guide that teaches you how to make $10,000 in your next 30 days. Parents often need a schedule that works around their kids, right? I'm a busy parent. I mean, I'm a stay-at-home mom now. I've got them, I need to take them to sport, I need to pick them up there. I call myself a taxi for the kids because I've got 2 teenagers and they are like so social and all over the place. So I needed something that would fit in with my schedule. What I love about the 2-hour work strategy is you can fit it around your life because it's digital. You can do those 2 hours, maybe an hour in the morning, maybe an hour in the evening, maybe 5 minutes here in the pickup line while you're waiting for your child, maybe 10 minutes here while you're in the parking lot before you go buy groceries. Whatever suits your lifestyle. Digital has changed my family's life and not just mine. This is why I help parents, because I believe parents need to be at home with their children. They can't just skip out on life. Digital products has changed the way we do business. It means no stock. It means no checking if the courier delivered the right products. And it's not just your local people that can purchase from you. It's global because it's digital. What is it costing you? The longer you are sitting on the fence and not learning the skills to make money online, the longer you are going to take to have the life that you want. And before you know it, your kids are going to be grown and you're going to still be stuck in that same job with the same salary, with the same surroundings. It's so important with who you surround yourself with. A community of support is what you need. Now, in my Done For You system, you have a community of over, I think we're like 45,000 members now. Like-minded parents, like-minded people that are looking for the same life as you and that they've started to take action to have that life. Many get it in their first week, many get it in a couple of weeks. It all depends on how committed you are in making this change. I always ask, show me the 5 people you hang around with and I'll show you who you are. When I started with my online business, I was hanging around people that were very satisfied with where their life was going. They were struggling financially, but they were so used to surviving that they became comfortable. I wasn't willing to be comfortable. I wanted different in my life. And I knew that while I was working full-time, starting with a 2-hour workday was going to add a little bit of extra pressure, but I knew it was only going to be temporary because I knew what my goals were. And within 5 weeks, I left my full-time business. And since then, I've been a stay-at-home mom. I've got my time back. I've got my family back. I get to be me. I get to enjoy life. I get to not have to stress about finances anymore. And the most amazing part for me is I don't have to work as hard anymore, like I used to for peanuts. Now I work less because I work smarter instead of harder and I earn so much more. And the same can be for you. You know, a lot of parents, they are looking into ways to make extra money, but most of them want to build on something. They just don't just want to make enough money just to buy bread this week. They want to buy a lifetime of consistent income coming in. And as your skills and your confidence improve, so your business grows. So you grow with the business because you're learning and earning at the exact same time. Don't wait to create the life you and your family deserve. A year from now, you want to be happy and proud of yourself and congratulate yourself instead of just staying stuck in the same position. So go grab the link in my bio below and go check out my free guide. I share the exact strategies with you and that is going to set you free and so many parents out there that are looking for solutions. They just don't know where to start. This is the perfect place to start without any experience. Thank you for watching.